Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to configure your mobile app to deliver a better and more personalized experience for your clients. In this video, we'll walk you through how to enable or disable key app features, add your social media, add custom links, sending push notifications, and manage pop-up and special messages. By the end of this video, you'll be able to fully control and customize your investor's mobile app experience. Let's get started. First, log into your admin portal using your credentials. Then from the dashboard header, click on Settings and then select Mobile App Configuration. This is your central control panel for managing the investor mobile app experience. On this screen, you'll find multiple sections that allow you to customize different parts of the mobile app. Most settings work through simple toggle switches and easy input fields, so you can make changes quickly without any technical effort. Let's start with Tools and Calculators. Here, you can control important home screen elements such as top schemes, top SIP schemes, financial calculators, and more. Simply turn the toggle on or off and hit Save. Any changes made here will reflect directly on your client's mobile home screen. For example, top schemes, it's currently visible. Now turn the toggle off. It is not visible. Top SIP schemes, it's currently visible. Now turn the toggle off. It is not visible. Lastly, financial tools are visible. Turn the toggle off. It's not visible. Note: to make the changes reflect on the mobile, you have to save the changes made. You can also choose between CAGR and XIRR display options from here. When toggled towards anyone, the metrics will be visible in the portfolio section, allowing clients to view their investment performance in the desired way. Next, let's look at social media links. This section allows you to add your business's social presence, including platforms such as YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Copy and paste your social media links here. Once these links are configured, they automatically appear on the Contact Us screen of the Investor mobile app. This makes it easier for investors to stay connected with your updates and reach out whenever they need assistance. Another useful feature is the special message. This message appears at the top of the mobile app home screen, making it highly visible to investors. You can use this section to highlight important campaigns, announcements, or updates. You can also add a hyperlink so investors can tap the banner and access more information. You can also highlight important updates using a pop-up message. This pop-up appears when investors open the mobile app. You can add text, an image, and a clickable link to guide investors to more details. This ensures that important announcements are immediately visible to your investors. Another important feature is custom links. With these links, you can share helpful resources using custom links. Here, you can add educational articles, insights, or other useful information for your investors. Simply enter the title, add a description, insert the URL, and upload an icon. Once saved, these links will appear directly on your client's mobile home screen. This is a great way to keep investors informed and engaged. Finally, let's look at notifications. This feature allows you to send push notifications directly to your investors' mobile devices. Simply click Create Notification, enter your message, upload an image if required, and add a redirect link if you want investors to open a specific page. Once sent, the notification will instantly appear on your clients' phones. This is a powerful way to share updates, important information, or investment opportunities in real time. And that's how you can configure and customize your mobile app. With just a few simple settings, you can deliver a more personalized and informative experience for your clients.